will tell you about the Sabertooth Cats. About 1 million years ago, these big cats roamed the grasslands. About that time, the woolly mammoths lived too.
Sabertooth cats' teeth were as long as they believed.
Wow, that's a big tooth.
They were 3 feet 1 meter tall. Sabertooth cats ate other large animals. Sabertooth cats lived about 1 million years ago.
They were found in forests and grasslands of North and South America.
Sabertooth cats probably lived in small groups. This is how the saber-toothed cat became extinct. The climate warmed and the humans moved into their homes.
These animals are the relatives to the saber-toothed cats: tigers, lions, and cheetahs. Saber-toothed cat.